Oh my goodness! Fresh up. Wait. Oh! What is he? Did you see where he's spawning? He ran that way! Yeah! Green, light. Way too much. What the fuck? Fuck out my way, man! Damn! Only do these types of people happens. What the hell? Down. And this is on my king, damn! I don't know. Y'all hear that? The tea is hot! Oh man! Oh, it's made sideline. Hey man, we got the Detroit Pistons versus the Portland. That's one I got on the not long ago. It's changed with the winter, fall, winter, and hot. Why did you just let that? That's the last time I paused the video, by the way. Bro, remember earlier I said I was just so playing the early three
That's why I took his fucking money.
Hey, I'm the chosen one. Artist, and I'm about to pay a massive.
Like,
well, you're like crazy.
There she goes. She thinks.
like, I like. Look at this.
Think I'm still.
K.A. Cold-blooded. Daniel. He freaked him out. He did my damn it and he tried to jump on. Yo. She doesn't even care. She's walking out to the side. What? Well, you nut, but she keeps sucking. Too many dance moves like those. Dancing. I'm saying.
Just to avoid serving in the Vietnam War.
Ew! I'm not doing that shit!
Surprisingly, his stunt allegedly worked.
There's no